In this video, I will show how to turn on or off system icons on taskbar in Windows 11. Right-click any empty area. Then here click on Personalize. Now here click on Taskbar. Now here you will see option Other System Tray Icons. Show or hide additional system tray icons. Click on it. Here you will see a list of items you can turn on and turn off. Just slide on or off. To make disable and off, slide to off position. So thanks for watching. This is the basic video to learn how to turn on or off system icons on taskbar in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.